Hello everyone and welcome back to the old so-and-so. Today is June 1st. So I decided I was going to try to be productive. I am on a mission to declutter and downsize. So let me show you what I have done so far. If I could push the right button. Okay, this was totally full. I couldn't even step in and get any clothes out. So this is my closet. It's not very big. It's what? Maybe, is that a 5 by, I don't know, 5 by 6, but it has this cut out, so it's not a completely square. So this caused all of the next thing. Okay. I've pulled it out in here. And I've pulled it out in here. And in the other room, I started making a pile of things that don't fit, that don't look right. I mean, that was in there. It was shoved in that closet. So my main goal was to figure out what I need, which I absolutely do not need any winter or fall clothes. My problem is I have to wash every other day for my winter clothes. Now, I know I have some at Olivia's house, but I know I don't have that much. So, I might have to go shopping, which I absolutely hate shopping for clothes. All right, so I'm going to work really hard, see if I can get this mess done, but I am going to be strong. If I haven't wore it in a year's time, if it's not going to fit, any reason, then I know for a fact that I will wear it. I'm getting rid of it. So let's see if I can turn this big mess into my closet that's nice and neat. So hold on. I got a lot of work to do. Okay, guys, it is about 3 or maybe 3 hours after, and I am finished with my closet. I got rid of so much. I just want you to look at the hangers. Look how many hangers I took out of that closet. And those had clothes on them. So, I even made my bed. Alrighty. Everything is picked up now. I even kind of went through under the sink and kind of got that nice and clean. So, let me open this. Alrighty. Now, guys, I couldn't do this before. I could not. I had to stand right here and reach. But I did get everything up in that I wanted to keep. I'm thinking, okay, the red one would be perfect for Christmas. We got our choice of fall. me just carrying it. Maybe 4th of July, a winter bag. I got my hats up there. Those bins are like winter stuff. Socks, hats, gloves. And look, you can kind of tell. I color coded it. The only color I really don't have a lot of is yellow, but I have a little bit. All the way to black, tan, and white. I can't believe it. Now, down here, I have my shoes, and then my sleeping pants and my shirts, and then the shorts. I'm able to see my shoes, and then that little bin has my my underwear and my socks. So guys, I am really excited about it. Okay, so before I show you that big mound of clothes, I want to show you the hangers. I put every single one facing me. So, we're going to see this time next year if those hangers have not turned around, they're out of here also. Alrighty guys, this is what I pulled out of that closet. I can't believe it. I mean, I can't tell you how much winter clothes are there. Things that I can't wear. House coats, regular coats, bags, shoes. Alrighty, well. Okay, so now I'm gonna hurry up, get these in the bags, take them out to the truck, and hurry up and get them to the thrift store before I change my mind. Alrighty, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm gonna do more uncluttering, downsizing, and of course, I clean as I go. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've stayed to the end, and I hope this inspires you to go through your clothes, go through your drawers. There's no telling what we'll do tomorrow. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.